So this actually looks fairly strange, upside down like this. It's been on the slings for so long. Now I'm going to finish it. I'm going to try a new technique for using spar urethane, which is you put on a rag, you thin it to 50%, put it on a rag and wipe it on real light coats, 2 to 3 times as many coats as you normally would with a brush. I'm hoping to avoid runs and brush marks, which we would get if I brushed it on. I could spray it, but then it's going to make a huge mess and it's going to be smelly, and then leaves and stuff are going to go on it. It's spraying and the trees are seeding, so stuff is going to get on it. So I'm going to try that. I'm just going to take my time, maybe spend 6 days on it, maybe put a single coat, light coat on each day. There are a couple minor things I need to clean up before I do that. I've got some little hard spots here that will catch the brush. Probably want to run some sandpaper along the edge here, knock off any sharp spots. A couple dribbles that need to be cleaned up from the operation on the other side. Also, of course, it's all dusty, so I'm going to wipe it down really good, maybe even with mineral spirits or light coat, paper towels, get all the dust out of it, and run some coats on it. That's what I'm doing. I'm actually almost done with this. Once I get this polished and good to go, I'm going to do the rail here, and I'll take the hull off and do the rail. Probably just spar urethane again, and then I'm going to modify the trailer and get it all installed in the trailer, and then only thing left after that is testing it, and if anything is wrong with it, anything needs to be adjusted or tuned, I'll have to do that. So anyway, I am going to clean this up a little bit and wipe this down and put the first coat on here. So that actually works really nice. I'm really happy with that. 0 runs, 0 brush marks. Of course, your trade-off is that you do have to put twice as many coats on, which is not a big deal. It actually dries it dries really quick too. Less than an hour I was able to put the second coat on. So I'm very happy with the way this is going to turn out. I think I'm going to go with 6, maybe even more coats, since I can do several per day.